Charters Towers needs a new hospital with full services now. This is a clear and simple message I want to give to our State Member for Parliament, Robbie Katter. We want them to hear it ahead of this year's state election. Our hospital here has been reduced to a health service. We want our state representative to stop playing politics with our community's health and fund a new replacement hospital with all services built here in Charters Towers. This will be alongside the Eventide Aged Care Facility. And it needs to include increased specialty services, specifically dialysis, a CT scanner and chemotherapy treatments. A region our size and population, along with all the Westerners that come here, use us as a service hub and shouldn't have to travel in some cases every day for these services to Townsville and back. I say it again, Robbie, we've had 11 years of promises. It's time to stop playing the politics with our community's health and fund a new replacement hospital in Charters Towers now.